Okay, for today's little math tip from me, I want to do a nod to Norm Dooley, a teaching instructor who instructed me, and I learned this in his course, so I didn't make it up or anything. But he taught me never let the students go over their own mistakes. Of course, people are free to do whatever they want, but he said it should be, you should encourage students to not go over their mistake or look for their mistake and just reattempt the question the correct way with the teacher's help and go through it correctly. And I seems like an interesting idea, but people really want to find their mistake. He'd say, so imagine you looked at your math test, you looked at a question, you got it wrong. Maybe it's only one question you got wrong, maybe it's one of a few, but you're focusing on one question. And this one question got wrong. You had to times these two numbers together, you did that, and the answer's here, and it should be that. And you wait up in line and you realize you thought you understood this, you thought this, you times these together, and so you go in line and you wait to go over it with the teacher. And while you're in line, you don't want to waste their time. You look at the question that's most important to you to go over, that one. You think about it. You look for where you went wrong. You go, no, I times these things together. It's what they're supposed to do, I think. And you go, and finally your turn for the teacher. And the teacher's there, and you say, I did this question and I times these together here, but you marked it wrong or whatever. And she goes, oh, you're supposed to divide those. And then this moment is the critical moment. What most people say is, oh, I thought you were supposed to times those. That's why I did this. And then they walk away. They know where their mistake was. They found it and they've been informed. The other student just looks surprised and says, divide them? Eyes wide, mouth maybe open a bit, the surprised expression. The reason we use surprise, and when you're surprised you repeat the thing that was said that is surprising, is a way to make that information go into your mind. You use your whole body, your eyes getting wide, and you're surprised, and you repeat the word, then now there's another copy that you made of the correct information, not just the one copy that the instructor made when he talked to you. So if you just keep track, it's a lot of copies of the wrong information can get created in someone's mind while they think about or look for their mistake. And even if they do find their mistake, only one or two copies of the correct information go in from that process.